Hello, this is demo of Shopify Update metafields API template which is built using getlazy.ai. It allows users to create metafields for any resource, for example products or blogs in their Shopify store using an API. To start using this template, click on start with this template button and it opens up an app for us where we can see the code and we can run the code as well. So the app is created and it says that it requires Shopify admin API token to authenticate requests. We have a look at the environment secrets. This is the environment secret that we need. Let's head over to the Shopify website and see how we can get this environment secret. Go to settings on your Shopify store, apps and sales channels, develop apps, and then create an app. I have already created an app. Then head over to configuration and edit the configurations. Here we need the write products and read products scopes. Once you have done that, you will head over to API credentials, and in this uninstall app button there will be an install app button, upon installing which you will reveal the token. So when there will be a button to reveal this token, so then copy paste this token into here, into this environment secrets tab on get lazy. I will copy paste my token and be right back. Once you have added the token, head over to the test tab and start the app. I have already done that to save time. It provides us with two URLs. The one is we can integrate our custom front end with, and the other is the open API where we can test the API. Let's head over to this and test the API. So it provides three endpoints. Let's test this get metafields endpoint, and we need to provide it these parameters: resource ID and resource type and Shopify store URL. Let's go to settings of Shopify, and this is my Shopify store URL. Now resource ID and resource type will be the type of the resource that you want to get the metafields for. For example, I want to get it for products, so I will just head over to products and get a ID of a product. So open this product and this is the resource ID. So I will say this is the resource ID and its type is products. Then execute this. As you can see, it has returned the response for me. It contains all the metafields associated with that product. Now let's try to create a custom metafield for this product. So let me just copy paste these details so that we can save some time, and click on try it out. We need to change its instructions, and we need to say change size small, and the value type will be string or boolean or integer, and the resource ID will be the resource that we want this metafield to be associated with, and the resource type again will be products or for example blogs, whatever you want, and this metafield ID is not required. So let's execute this. As you can see, it says expecting property name includes in double quotes, so we have some issue with it. Let's see. Okay, so it is now successful request. So if we get our products, the metafields of the product again, we'll see that now there are two metafields, and then we can use this update metafield to update our metafield. Let's just copy paste the same data and click on try it out. So this will be my data for this metafield, and we need a metafield ID to update it. So this was the metafield that was created. Let's just copy its ID and provide it metafield ID in the here. So let's change the value from small to large. If we see for this product, the value is small, right? And if we update it, then let's execute this, and it is again saying again we need to see what is the issue. Alright, I have fixed the issue. I forgot to add this metafield ID in the request body as well. So once I added that and I executed, it updated the meta field, and if we get the metafield now again, so we'll see that the response is changed and the size is changed from small to large. Thank you for watching this demo.